I am back with a new one. I hope this video finds you well. Thank you so much for clicking on this specific video. And I've been having so much fun preparing for the holiday. Behind me is my growing jewelry collection. In this video, I'll be adding more bracelets to my bracelet collection. Right here is all the bracelets that I have made for the last 6 hours. Holiday break has started for my family and I. I'm looking forward to making more of these bracelets. Here is a full view of my growing jewelry collection that I've been making. Earrings, hoop earrings with charms, earrings with chains on them as well. I've just been having fun making earrings during the holiday break. The earrings in the box that I showed earlier, I will be placing them on this wall. So I just gotta figure out a way to make space because I think I have like about 10-15 earrings. I placed them on a display card in order to display them like this on my peg wall. I have a stack of bracelets that I'm going to hang on my peg wall. These are all the bracelets that I have made within the last 6 hours today. There are 2 bracelets on each display card. I will be making more bracelets tonight. I have one more of these holders on the peg wall that I need to fill up. Handmade jewelry collection is growing. I'm ordering more of these next week, these holders. I have a love for jewelry making. I ordered also more charms. I ordered more earring hoops. If you would like to join me on my journey of my earring collection, subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, on the bell, you will receive notifications every time I upload a new video. I have affiliate links that you may be also interested in. I know I'm looking like a hot mess right now. I've been busy making bracelets for the last 6 hours. I'm also an Amazon affiliate. I have affiliate links in my description area just in case if you are interested in any Amazon affiliate links. I sell these earrings also on Poshmark. I have my Poshmark link in the description area. Please have a wonderful, safe, fun-filled holiday 2024. Take care. God bless. Stay positive. Stay motivated. And I look forward to my next new video. God bless. Bye-bye.